this word means. If you can see it, read it.
Yeah, Ubuntu.
We talk about South Africa and America. That's what this channel is about. So we're not discriminating other countries. Especially when you're black, you better know your white neighbors. In fact, let me just tell you this quick thing.
Okay, please tell it.
Yeah, you could run to somebody that you don't know for help, and they would help you genuinely.
Okay.
That's what Ubuntu is, because remember, it's empathy.
Yeah.
So let's chill. Hello, Sanwanani, Ninjani, Nikona.
What up? What up? What's good, everyone? What's good?
Okay, just quickly, I just wanted to ask my husband if he knows what my T-shirt means. Word means. If you can see it, read it.
Yeah, Ubuntu.
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 Okay, so do you know what it means? Have you heard of it before?
Ubuntu.
Yeah, have you heard of the word before?
Yeah, I did.
What was your explanation?
Oh no,
You can't read it. You said you've heard about it. So what?
I heard you say that. I don't remember.
You don't remember? Okay, so I'll allow you to read the definition, and then you can ask questions after. Okay.
Okay.
So go ahead. In simple terms, before you read it, Ubuntu just means humanity.
Humanity.
That's just simple terms. But what it actually translates as, it's I am because we are.
I am because we are. Yes.
That's what. But it's just being human. I am because we are.
Mm-hmm.
I am who I am because we are. We help each other. We see each other through things. I can come to you if I need stuff like it. That's why people saying, well, you must have Ubuntu. You must have humanity. You must have empathy or neighbor. Empathy.
Southern hospitality.
Well, in America, you call it Southern hospitality because you don't have it in the North, nor in the West, nor in the East. Only in the South. Why? It should be a national thing. This is it's mainly a South African term. It's derived from Zulu language, or you can say Anguni language called Ubuntu. Okay, so
Yeah, signifying humanity or humanness, originated from Southern Africa. It embodies the idea of interconnectedness and communal living. It emphasizes
so communal living, as in I can go to my neighbor for help.
Yeah.
We only knew our neighbors 3 years down the line. We didn't even know their first names until this year, which is our 5th year, living in the same building. Then we found out who they are when we were about to move. It's not funny, but it's sad. Whereas in South Africa, we talk about South Africa and America. That's what this channel is about. So we're not discriminating other countries. In South Africa, I will know my neighbor like this. Even in the herbs, it's encouraged that you because there's something called neighborhood watch.
Have that.
To avoid the criminals.
We have
it's
neighborhood
good to
watch.
know who your neighbor is. You don't have to know them by name, but at least just know who they are. Just when you're black, you better know your white neighbors. In fact, let me just tell you this quick thing.
Okay, please tell it.
Nando, my cousin, she lives in a very white neighborhood, very higher grade. Her neighbors called the SPCSA for her reporting her dog.
Huh?
Reporting her dog. They called the animal people.
Yeah.
To report her dog that she doesn't take care of her dog. She does. It's just that the dog has a kennel outside.
Yeah.
It doesn't live inside the house. Yes, it comes inside the house, but it sleeps where dogs are supposed to sleep, not in people's beds. And so
Wait, hold on. We allow the dogs to
sleep in your beds.
No, inside.
Well, in America, in Africa, you better go sleep in your dog house outside. I'm not having you inside my house.
They're like one hour. They want us.
Who? A dog?
dog,
Never.
yeah.
Okay, unless it's one of those white
They have like
and bougie families.
They have a bed and everything.
Whatever. Anyways, back to Ubuntu. I think we got sidelined a bit there. Forget what I said.
Yo, it's funny, man. Yo, they called on it. Oh wow. Okay. I am because we are rooted in Zulu and Costa.
Costa.
Costa cultures.
You gotta hear the click. Costa.
Ubuntu has transcended its origin and is embraced. I can't read the other one. Embraced globally as a philosophy of compassion and mutual respect in human interactions. And I'm going for peace. Yeah, I get stuck sometimes with these words.
So what's your take on this?
Yeah, it's Southern hospitality.
That's how you're just gonna define it.
Yeah, that's something.
You're not gonna define it as humanity.
Yeah, humanity.
Because you don't know what that is in the North.
Yeah, same thing. Southern hospitality.
So this philosophy, that's the word that you're trying to write. It promotes compassion, empathy, respect, expressing that we achieve our fullest potential through mutual support and shared humanity. The concept is inspired by the name of Ubuntu operating system, which symbolizes the open source and community-driven nature, where collaboration and accessibility are central values. So I can go to my neighbor and say, watch out for my child there. Make sure he doesn't stand with boys. And the child respects my neighbor for that as an elder.
Yeah, it used to be like that in America.
Yeah, I think South Africa is also going down slow, but that's what
when the parents
trying
like,
to rebuild.
you better not talk to my parent. You better not talk to my child.
My child like that, then it went down.
It went down.
So that's
it went down after the 80s.
Yeah, so that's what's basically what Ubuntu is, and I pray that our the world goes back to these philosophies and these values of Ubuntu, because you are able to protect each other as neighbors. You are able to be. There was no I can't say the full word because of YouTube, but there was no aping, without the R, the aping situations,
Okay, I don't know.
So remove the R.
Uh-huh.
And I said, add the R mentally, and I'll say aping.
Okay, I got you.
Situations, because we respected each other. They were, but they were very few, because there's been some sick people way, way back. But in a nutshell, you felt protected. You didn't feel that your neighbor was going to violate you. And if anything happens to you, you can always run to your neighbor. And neighbor doesn't necessarily mean the person living right next to you. It can be, community, anywhere.
Somebody that you don't know.
Yeah, you could run to somebody that you don't know for help, and they would help you genuinely.
Okay.
That's what Ubuntu is, because remember, it's empathy.
Yeah.
So people don't just now take out phones and start recording. They help you first before they
don't talk about you. Take out phones and talk about you
and try to get a viral moment out of your
exactly.
situation.
Yeah, that's
because that's the sad part. That's the world we live in now.
Yeah, everyone with the viral moments.
So in a nutshell, we want to say, let's bring back Ubuntu. Let's have humanity towards each other, and the world will be a better place to live. On that note, tell us what you think about this term Ubuntu. And how have you used it before? Is it the first time hearing it? And don't you think the world is going to be a better place with it, in it? Like us practicing Ubuntu, not just in African countries, but all over the world. Because like we said, it can be translated to humanity, having compassion, having empathy.
Or Southern hospitality.
He's just coining it like that, okay? So thank you for watching. We love you.
Yes,
don't forget to subscribe.
Yes.
See you next time.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Deuces.